Okay, guys, this is Johnny for Christ. I want to quickly show us a fresh update. It's a fresh update to me, but it is not to some of us. It's not a fresh update. All right, follow me carefully. Okay, this is for palmpay users, old users, and new users. Listen attentively. Okay, now let me just show you what I'm able to earn. I'm able to earn 40,000 naira just in uh 48 hours, just 2 days. Just 2 days. Okay, so let me show you my transaction. Okay, can you see they are processing this one for me? As you can see, this is on processing. Okay, they are still processing this one for me. It's on process. All right, it's on processing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the first one I ever earned. I don't know about this update. I just got to know, and it's interesting. This is the first time I've ever earned. Okay, and when I earned it, I was like, maybe it's not true. I withdraw my money immediately from this palmpay. Okay, after I realized that it is true, okay, I start putting money again there. All right, so right now I've placed another withdrawal. I've placed another withdrawal. Okay, I've placed another withdrawal now. Okay, and it will drop in 12 to 24 hours. All right, so sure. And I've seen people that have make money from. Let me go to my WhatsApp. Let me show you people that have make money. Can you see people are still asking me, how is this possible with old users? Old users can use it. Just calm down. Old user, you can surely use it. Okay, let's come to this. There's a guy here that placed withdrawal recently. Okay, it's my guy here. Can you see this one? Okay, referral bonus. Can you see this referral bonus? Okay, I think he's an old user. He's an old user. Can you see? It's already processing. It started yesterday and it's about to get paid today. Okay, it's just a simple process to this. It does not have any problem. Okay, these are process people that are processed their withdrawal. This is it. When your withdrawal reach limit, they will ask you to withdraw your money, and you have it's expired in 3 days. Okay, and you see John, this is when I got paid first. Okay, I screenshotted all this one. All right, see, this is the person that introduced me to this thing. When I saw our money, I was like, wow, so this thing is possible. So guys, let's move straight to what I'm trying to tell us. This is my page. All right, so what we are doing is very simple, guys. What can you see? Referral bonus is processing. I placed withdrawal today. So what we are doing is very simple. Very simple. Can you see? When you come here, if you already have your account, this is what you see. This is their update. This is their update. This is their update. Okay. And this is where what we need. Win big, earn 20,000. This is what we need. There are so many other one. Okay. There are so many other. These are other one people are doing. Where is it? Where is it? It's not here. You earn 8,000 naira when you refer. But what I want, okay, is the win big. Is the win big that I need. So let me show you how to do this right now. So the first thing you need to do is to go and download palmpay from Play Store. Don't disturb yourself. Just go from Play Store. I will also drop a link, okay, that you can download the app. Or if you don't use the link, go to Play Store. But what you need to be very careful, code is very essential. Referral code will give you that chance, okay? Because when making you register, you have 19,900 or so of making you register, okay, as a new user. Before, people that have been doing this thing before, I think they earned 10,000, 15,000 from since last year. I checked some YouTube since last year. Wow, a lot of money. I started on Saturday, yes, and I've earned 40,000 naira. Just so cheap. Okay, so go to login. All right, this is my account. I'm not using my account. I will just use a quick one. Okay, if you are fresh, it will not bring login for you. To bring sign up, please. It's sign up that you need to click. Can you see sign up here? It's sign up you need to click. Okay, so click on the sign up. All right, this is where you get to. Now be careful here, please. Be very careful here. All right, put your number. Okay, put your number. This I have invitation code. Okay, it will put an arrow there. Not you are not going to see something like this there because I don't have a referral code. It will bring an arrow, please. When you see that arrow, click on it. Okay, I have invitation code. I see it will open up. Place your invitation code. I've dropped it there. Okay, PTC something something. Okay, you will see it. Please. Put it. If you don't put it, you will not get access. All right, you click on I've read this thing and you click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, it will bring a place for you to put your NIN. After you put your NIN or BVN, okay, it's a banking system, okay. Don't be afraid. palmpay has been in existence for long. Opay, palmpay, all these microfinance bank, they are real. You put your PVN. It will ask you for which one again? It will ask you for face verification. Please do your face verification. That is why you cannot cheat them. one person per registration. You cannot say you want to use different number. You are going to do your face verification, verify your face. Once you verify your face, okay, they will give you a welcome bonus of 100 naira airtime. Listen, they will give you a welcome bonus of 100 naira airtime and they will write grab it. Grab. You must grab it. You see grab. Grab it means claim. Once you grab it, use it to load airtime to your line, your same line. Use it to load airtime to your line. And in case they did not give, like, they used to give 90% of people, but in case they did not give it to you, okay, find how to uh, try and recharge 100 naira to that account. Just recharge 100 naira to the account, okay. Once you recharge 100 naira to the account, they will give it to you very easy. They will give it to you very easy. All right. So once they give it to you, once they give it to you, okay, make sure you use it to load. So it's making you load airtime, okay. You are qualified. Now, once you are qualified, this is how the page will be. This is how your page will be, okay. So you are going to see something like this, MB, you see it like this. Can you see? You see MB. If you don't see it like this, can you see it here? Come to win big. Win big, sorry, not M big, win big. Okay. So you just any of the two, click on win big. Now once you get here, this is the only thing. Immediately you get here, can you see? You will have to claim your 20,000 naira. You will have something like this. They will give you 19. Let me see what they gave me. Okay. Can you see? I have somebody have registered now, but person have not done transaction. Okay, see, this is what you'll be given. It varies. This is 19,966. Some people 19,070 naira. Okay, so you need like 33 plus. Okay, so that's 33 plus. Like you need 5 to 6 referrals. When I started, I used 5 referrals to 6. The second one I did, I used 10 referrals. So it varies. Okay, just make sure that you just, can you see, they must sign up and they must do their first transaction. If they don't do their first transaction, there will be a problem. That is the issue people are having. So people can just register and they will not complete it. You will not get your money. And once they register also, once they complete it, okay, you tell them to follow the same process you follow to claim their own money also. So old users just go to win big and continue. All right. So that is what, okay, I think I saw it now. Okay, this is another one. If you want to earn 8,000 naira, I'm not dealing with 8,000 naira. If you want to earn 8,000 naira, that's another one. Let me show you. Let me show you. This for 8,000 naira. The referral code is different. That is the problem. The referral code, this one you just need 6 users, and this one expires in 3 days also. Okay, so I prefer to go with 20,000 naira. You can go with anything you want. Okay, but I'm showing you how to go with 20,000 naira. That is win big. Okay, so that is it. You claim, you come here, you claim. This is your code. Can you see? This is my code. This is the code you must use when you are registering, so that you can have your access point also to the win big promo. So you copy your code. I'm going to give you a write-up. I will post the write-up that I'm going to use to convince people to register. I will give you a write-up. Let me show you that write-up from my swipe file. I will give you a write-up. Okay, this is the write-up. Do you know palmpay is giving? I will give it to you. Don't worry. I will post it. I will give it in the. So just make sure you edit this place. If you don't edit it, you are giving me promo. You edit this place, edit, you should know how to copy and paste and edit this place to your own code. Once you put your own code, send it to people. New users, don't give old users, they will not pay you for old users. New users, and make sure they follow the process. Show them this video, let them follow the process. Immediately they do it, you are going to receive signal. Can you see? Come to invite history. You are going to be seeing signal here. If they are signed up, you will see tick. If they did their first transaction, tick. This thing will increase. This 33 naira will be going down, and this 20,000, this 19 will be increasing. Okay, so once they do it, so they are the one that determines. And don't forget, it has expiring date. It has expiring date. See, it's 3 days. I've completed all my own within 24 hours. A day, I completed one in a day. I can even do 2 in a day. I'm doing 2 right now in a day now, right now. So it depends on how far. And you can even use advertisement. There are some app that ask you to come and advertise. Okay, there are some Naira now, they have it, they have a lot. Check my channel, they have some site that can ask you to come and advertise your product. You can go there and advertise this palmpay and use your link. I'm going to make cool money, guys. Cool money, plenty for this online. Okay, you just have to be sharp. All right, have to be sharp. When I saw this, I don't believe it until I saw my money. I was shocked that day. I was in church dancing. This is it. I was in church dancing. This is it here. I was in church dancing. Can you see? Let me show you. Can you see? 10:04. Not be this. Where is it? 10:04. 10:04. I was in church Sunday yesterday dancing. Okay, so plenty money feed this. So if you have really learned, don't forget, use the referral code I drop on the screen. Just go download, register, do the necessary things, and you get your money. And if you need more updates, there's a link there, there's a group link there. Join the group link for more money update. Guys, let's make this money together. Don't forget to subscribe if this thing have touched you one way or this thing have been helpful tips for you. Let's grow this thing together.